अगर पाइपिंग इंजीनियर डिज़ाइन के टाइम पे अगर इन बातों का ध्यान नहीं दिया तो वो पूरा प्रोडक्शन हमारा गलत शो होगा और प्रोडक्शन में बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आएगा। ये हर एक इंजीनियर को पता ही होना चाहिए। सो what care shall be taken while routing a pipe for an instrument? The following points shall be taken care of while routing a piping for instrument. A. The flow measuring instrument need certain straight length on upstream and downstream for instruments. Normally 15D on upstream and 5D on downstream is kept. B. The pipeline is which flow meters such as magnetic flow meter, vortex meter, turbine meter, etc. are located shall be routed in such a way that the line must be filled with liquid all the time. The pipeline shall be with support on both sides of the meter. C. A control valve are located at gauge. It example at the about 500 mm height from a finished ground to provide a convenient access for operation and maintenance. Block the bypass valve shall be located to have access from the grade, and locating control valve on a vertical line shall be avoided. DA isolation valve for a level gauge and pressure gauge shall be made accessible. All primary and secondary indicator for pressure, temperature, flow, level, positioner, etc. shall be visible from operating area. E है photometer shall be placed on vertical line and the inlet shall be from the bottom of the instrument. सो आई होप इससे आपको कुछ आइडिया होगा। अगर आप पाइपिंग इंजीनियर हैं तो आपको पहले से ही पता होगा इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में। सो कमेंट करके बताइए। ऐसे ही करियर गाइडेंस, इंजीनियरिंग टॉपिक एंड इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन के लिए आप हमें फॉलो करें।